Welcome to the Chatham County Wells and Water Quality Explorer. This video will help you get started. At the top of the app, you'll notice that there are three different tabs: a 2D well map, which we see now, a 3D well map, and a contaminant facts tab. In the 2D web map, you can easily zoom in, pan around, and select individual well points to see a pop-up of information related to that point. Then there's the layer widget, which lets you toggle on and off layers as you need them. Click outside to close that one. Then there's the county contaminant averages. This is a chart that shows contaminant concentration averages for all the wells in the entire county. Click outside to close that one too. Then there's the Wells Near Me widget. This lets you enter in an address and find wells within the area. As you can see right now, we're only looking at a 1 mile radius that includes only one well. So we want to increase that radius to 2. Use the refresh button. Now we're seeing 7 wells in the tool. The data here shows the average values from all 7 of those wells. Use the exit button to exit this widget. Now let's explore the 3D well map. In a 2D environment, you can only zoom and pan, but in a 3D environment, you also have the option to change the orientation of your view. We currently have the pan tool selected, but if we just switch to the toggle view tool, we can change our perspective. Now, as you can see, all well points here are represented by cones of various shapes and sizes. The reason being is that the height of the cone relatively represents the well depth, and the width of the cone relatively represents the well yield. You can see that more specifically here. If you click this one, you can see the well depth is 600 and the well yield is 480, while the well beside it has a depth of 805 and a well yield of only 6, which is why this well is much taller and skinnier than this one over here. On the last tab of this application is the contaminant fact sheet. This is an EPA document of National Primary Drinking Water Regulations. This document is a great reference for helping you better understand the water quality metrics and contaminants that you may have seen in other parts of this application.